We're going to raise the tone a wee bit from a somewhat uncouth child to Ernie Duncan, who's going to give us his, the Shepherd's version, sorry, the 23rd Psalm. Ernie.
I can follow that. What is my shepherd? Weel I ken, the Lord himself is he. He leads me where the girths is green and burnie is quaint would be. Oft times I fain astray would gang, and wanna far awa. He finds me out, he pits me recht, and brings me hame and home. Though I pass through the gruesome clouch, when I ken he is near. His muckle crook will me defend, say I hae naught to fear. Ilk comfort whilk a sheep could need, his thoughtful care provides. Though wolves and dogs may prowl about, his safety me he hides. His goodness and his mercy baith, nae doot will bide with me, while folded on the fields of time, or all eternity.
I says we would raise the tone a wee bit, unfortunately we're going to bring it down a wee bit.